Hello, assalamu alaikum. This is a quick tutorial that will show you how we compose calligraphic artwork completely digitally. So this is the vector sheet that you get as part of your enrollment in Creative Calligrapher. So as you can see, I have every single module that is in the Thoth script available in this worksheet. Now these are all vector images, so if you're thinking why are these so small, how am I going to build these into a bigger format, well, these are all vectors, so you can expand them indefinitely. Every single module with different alternatives are available over here, so you can be super creative with your compositions. Everything from the middle letter modules to commencing letter modules, finishing letter modules, everything is available over here. So I'm going to show you a quick example and show you how we can go ahead and script Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim using the modules that are available over here. And we're going to be populating them in the work area that has been provided here. So first, we're going to go ahead and look for an appropriate ba. So I'm going to select this one over here. I'm going to take it, copy it, go down here and paste it. Again, it may look like it's small, but because it's a vector image, I'll show you at the end how we can enlarge this. So here is my ba. Now I'm going to quickly go ahead and look for a middle letter scene. Okay, let's pick this long, elongated middle letter version of the scene here. I'm going to go back down in the work area and paste it right in. And then I'm going to zoom in and make sure that it connects seamlessly. There we are. Now let's look for a finishing letter meme. And let's go ahead and select this one over here. I'm going to copy it. Go back down to my work area, paste it, and once again, I'm going to go ahead and make sure that it fits in seamlessly. And there we are. There we have the word bism. Now I know I don't have the nukta yet, but I'm going to put them in at the end. We're going to go ahead and copy the standard alif over here. And I'm going to go ahead and put that right on top of the meme here. Now for your convenience, I've put Allah and Muhammad down here with the annotations and ornaments just so it's convenient for everybody. And I'm gonna paste it right over here. And now since I already have an alif here, I'm just gonna quickly replicate this, and this is for Ar-Rahman. Now I'm going to go ahead and pick the commencing letter lam. Now because I'll be dropping down with the ra, I'm going to use this version of the lam here. And I'm going to go ahead and paste it right beside the alif. Now I'm going to go ahead and look for the drop down version of finishing letter ra, which is also called Ra ar-Rahmaniyah. And I'm going to use this version here. I'm going to quickly copy that, bring it back down, and I'm going to paste it here. And again, make sure that it's going to fit in seamlessly. Okay, there we are. Now I'm going to go ahead and look for a commencing letter ha, which is going to be under the jim here. Now I do have a lot of different options here, so really you can pick any one of these guys. For me, what I'm going to do is I'm going to select this version here. Okay, I'm going to copy that. Come back down. Make sure that it's placed appropriately. And now I'm going to look for a middle letter meme that goes in after a ha in an appropriate manner. Again, I have many different options here. So I'm going to select this version here. Again, I'm going to make sure that it fits in seamlessly. And here we are. Now for the finishing letter noon, let's look at some of the options we have here. Now, just for kicks, I'm going to select the long elongated version of the finishing letter noon. And I'm going to come and paste it here and make sure that it fits in seamlessly. Okay, there we are. I'm just going to go ahead and shift this up a little bit just so that the whole module is in line. And let's also bump it a little bit over towards the right. Okay, I'm going to copy the alif, lam, and ra for ar-Rahman, and I'm going to use that same set of letters for ar-Rahim. And now let's go ahead and select a different commencing letter ha. Okay. All right, let's see which one we can pick here. Again, my options are quite a few here, so okay, we can do this one as well, but you know what? Let's go ahead and let's select. Okay, let's select this one here. How about that? All right. I'm gonna come down, paste it over here. And now we're going to look for a middle letter ya, which would actually be under the ba, okay? Because ba and ya look completely identical when they appear in the middle of a module. So let's go ahead and we can pick this one. Actually, you know what? Let's go ahead and pick the long elongated ya again, okay? I'm going to take that, copy that, bring it back down, paste it, and make sure that it fits seamlessly after the ha. And I'm going to go ahead and look for a finishing letter meme. Actually, we can just use this version here, and it should fit in nicely. All right. And there we are. So this is the main structure that is now ready. So the scripting is now complete. Now we got to go ahead and put in the nuqtas, the vowels, the tashkil. So what we can actually do is just copy both of these together in one grab. Bring it in. Just move the two dots aside for now. Use the single nuqta for the ba and the noon. And then the double nuqta here for the ya. And there we have all the nuqtas now. Now we can go ahead and put in the vowels for Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. What we can even do is we can take this entire set and literally copy it over just so it's a little bit convenient, and we can just quickly drag and drop anything that we need. That's why I've put it in a very convenient place for you. Just going to take this and move a little bit higher just so I have a little bit more space to work with, especially with the kathras here. I'm going to put a kasra beneath the ba, a sukoon on top of the sin. Now let's pick a smaller kasra for the meme, a shadda on top of the lam for Allah, a fatha on top of the shadda, and then let's go ahead and put the fatha for the ra here, Now I can just copy the shadda from Allah and put it right on top of the ra here. I can just go ahead and copy the sukoon for the ha. Okay, let's make sure everything is there. The kasra, we're gonna be copying that over and making that into a fatha for the ra of ar-Rahim. Again, let's copy the shadda and the kasra at the end. So now we have our mandatory vowels in this workspace. Now we can go ahead and put in the clarification tashkils. Put a scene under the scene. We're gonna put a meme on top of the meme. Let's put a ha underneath the ha of Allah. We're gonna put another meme for the meme of Ar-Rahman, and then a ha for the ha of Ar-Rahman. Copy that ha again for the ha of Ar-Rahim, and then copy the meme for the meme of Ar-Rahim. And here we have our clarification tashkil. And I'm going to go ahead and put in the ornaments. I'm going to make sure I don't overdo these. Again, with ornaments, you can place them anywhere you'd like. If there's a lot of space available in a given space, we can go ahead and put them there. Again, making sure that we don't overdo anything here. Put a dhokar here. And that's it. Looks like we have completed our work here. Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. So you can see how quickly we can go ahead and compose a completely digital piece of artwork using the vectors that I would be providing as part of this course. Now we can go ahead and expand these. As I mentioned, this is this is a vector file. These are vector modules. They're not JPEGs or PNGs, so you can enlarge these indefinitely. You can take this Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim and literally create a decal that would fit the wall of a mosque per se. So there is no limit on how large or how small you can make these. So that's it for today. Just wanted to show you a quick tutorial on how we compose completely digital pieces of calligraphy using this vector sheet available in this course. Thank you very much. Assalamu alaikum.